YouTube is super competitive, right? But here's the thing. Some ideas are timeless. They always get views. Today, we're going to break down 10 video ideas that just work, no matter what. Plus, I'll give you examples from successful channels to spark your creativity. Let's dive in. Product reviews. Before buying anything, people want to know, is it worth it? This is where you come in. Share honest reviews that help viewers make decisions. Examples: channel Unbox Therapy. Example: the best budget headphones under $50. Channel Marques Brownlee. Example: iPhone versus Android, which one is worth it? Top 10 lists. Let's face it, people love lists. They're easy to follow, concise, and super engaging. Examples: channel Watch Mojo. Example: top 10 underrated movies you must watch. Channel Video Influencers. Example: top 10 mistakes new YouTubers make. Challenges. Challenges are all about entertainment and curiosity. What happens when you try something extreme or unusual? Let your audience find out with you. Channel examples. Channel Matt Davella. Example: I tried minimalism for 30 days. Channel Yes Theory. Example: living without technology for a week. Challenge. Reaction videos. Reactions are so relatable. It's like sitting on a couch with a friend and sharing opinions. Pick trending content and share your take. Channel examples. Channel Nick DiGiovanni. Example: reacting to Gordon Ramsay's cooking tips. Channel Miss Who's the Boss. Example: reacting to the most expensive smartphones. Explainer videos. Make complex topics simple. When you help people understand something tricky, you instantly become an authority. Channel examples. Channel Veritasium. Example: the truth about the YouTube algorithm. Channel Simplilearn. Example: what is AI? Artificial intelligence explained. Mistakes to avoid. We all hate making mistakes, so help your audience dodge them. Share what not to do. It's valuable and memorable. Channel examples. Channel Ali Abdal. Example: 5 productivity mistakes you need to stop making. Channel Think Media. Example: the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make. Day in the life. Ever wonder what someone's daily life is like? These videos build a personal connection and curiosity. Channel examples. Channel Nate O'Brien. Example: a day in the life of a full-time YouTuber. Channel Vlogbrothers. Example: what my life looks like as a creator. Trend spotting. Keep your audience up to date with the latest buzz. Be the person they trust for staying relevant. Channel examples. Channel TechLinked. Example: the latest tech trends you need to know. Channel Thomas Frank. Example: how AI tools are revolutionizing content creation. Tutorials and how-tos. People love learning new skills, especially when it solves a problem or makes life easier. Seriously, who doesn't want quick solutions? Examples. Channel Think Media. Example: how to film YouTube videos with your smartphone. Beginner's guides. Everyone starts somewhere, and beginner-friendly content always performs well. Break it down step by step. Channel examples. Channel Sunny Lenarduzzi. Example: how to start a YouTube channel in 24. Channel Creative Live. Example: photography for beginners, the basics. Now have the ultimate cheat sheet for creating timeless YouTube content. These ideas are proven winners, used by the biggest creators out there. So don't just sit there. Pick one, make it your own, and start creating. Stop procrastinating. Click record and let's see your name in the trending section. The internet is waiting, and your time is now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more interesting videos.